Hi everyone, welcome to Ascode YouTube channel. If you are a food blogger, so you must watch this video. In this video, you will learn how to create this type of recipe card design for your blog post. So you can see a very good effect in hover effect on this icon. So let's get started this video here. So you can see I have index.html file, and in this file I will add type this basic HTML file, and here I will add a title, that is food recipe card for your blog post. So you can see that the title is here, and now this body section. Here I will add the class name is card, and here in this card class, here I will two class name, that is call1 and call2. And this call2, here I will add this img tag, that is you can see I have note this, and this image link you will find in my description. So let's check this and just enter here. So here after this call1, and here I will add this all of this definition. Here you can see like that our design we have made it. So here first of all we will add this author name. So this author name is the Elena Smith, and here this second option we will type this for the recipe name. So this class name is recipe name, and this is the class name recipe name here, and here we will type this the new breakfast, and this here after this break we will add here, and this recipe will add a break option for this recipe. Okay, so that's it after adding this class. And now we'll add this description class. For this description, so we'll add a description class, and inside this description we will type this text for the description here. I will also paste this text also in my description, and this after heart we will add a beer, so that this text will be like some beer here. So now we'll add this in this footer element here. So we'll add this after this description here. So we'll add some bar dash bar, and this after one we will add a span, and this span tag we will add that C tag. You can see that C tag was my previous design. I will add that C tag here. So you can see that C tag like this, and this will be add here. So after this Elena Smith and this all item I will comment it, so that you can see on this that what we are designing from starting. So here on the style file I will open here this body section, and here I will this basic style file, that is margin, padding and font family and the box sizing. So let's copy this body and enter this body here. So here I will add this display flex, so that's all item will be flexible. So after this flex we will add justify content center, and after this we will add this align item center. So this align item will be center, that all item also will be go to center. And now we'll make this main height 100 degrees, so it will be vertically center. So now we'll add this background. You can see a plain background color here. So now we'll copy this card class name here, that we will enter that, and here we will type this position relative, and this background is hashtag background is as same color, and this will add this border is 1 pixel solid, hashtag this is CC, this is color code, and this border radius will be 10 pixel, and box shadow will add this 0, 5 pixel and 3 pixel, and we will add this color code. So here we will add a padding is 15 pixel and 20 pixel. So we'll add a width. For the we'll set the width is 600 pixel. Now you can see like this, and now we'll comment this and we will minimize this item. So you can see like this, and this I will minimize this. We can also keep it as open source, no issue, just we need to set up this all item. So let's copy this class name call1, and we will type this class name dot call1, and here we will add this item. For this item we will add it with this, and we will set this width, that is 250 pixel, or we can 300 pixel will be better, and it will be float left. So this item all will be go to the left side. And for this call2 we will also set this width here, so that is 220 pixel, and float is right, so this all item will be go to right side. You can see just like this. So now resize this image item for this call2, and we will copy this img tag and enter here, and now we'll set this width, that is 200 pixel, and you can see just like this, that with this width, so we have to increase some more, so that is 220 pixel. Here I'm increasing, so you can see now just it's looking good. So now we'll design this left side for this call1. So for this column after this we have author, so let's copy this author class name here, and I will set this font size, that is 20 pixel. 15 pixel is alright, will be maybe. And here this color, we'll add a color for this, and we'll be make little bit of darker from this border radius color. You can see like this. Now we'll add this text transform, so it will be uppercase, so it will be capital letter. And now here we'll set this margin, that is 15 pixel and 0, so it will be top and bottom 15 pixel, and this left and right is 0 pixel. Here we'll add some letter spacing, so that we can see mass space in every letter. So now we have this class name is recipe name, so let's copy and enter that. And here we'll also set this font size is 2.7 rem. I'm just setting that, and this font family and we will make it none, so we don't need any font with for this. It will be by default font. So this color is #00. You can see like this. Okay, now we will go for this, the description text. Let's go to this description and enter this class name here, and we'll say this font size is 15 pixel, and this color will be #cc, and just we will make some this type of some darker here. So here we just say this color, but it's not affect anything. So we change this font size also, but this color is not affect anything, so we made a small mistake here also. So we'll set this item here. So first of all we'll add this margin. Okay, but we have maybe mistake any. Okay, we have one mistake, that is we remove that second bracket, the close tag. So we'll add this margin, that is 15 pixel and 0. So you can see now we have some space top and bottom, but this color is not working, maybe I don't know why. Okay, let's check this, why not it's working here. So this class name and this, we copy this data type again, this description class. So let's see that what is the issue here. Okay, we got this issue is with our color code. So it changes color code again, and we'll make it little bit of darker, so I can see good effect of color like this. So we can make some more darker, so it's looking good now. Okay, let's go to this C class name here and enter that C class. So here this color is #cc. We'll add this color name here, and now we can add a margin here also. So we can remove this margin if we need later, so we can add this. Let's see that first what is affected here. So now we have this class name is span, so we'll copy this total span, and after this tag we'll add here, and now you can see it's on this one line here. So now let's copy this span tag and enter here. For this span we will add some effect for this span color here. You can see like this C, and we are changing this the C tag, that will be line class name. I will change this class name line, and here this span will add this C tag, will use for another item, that C tag here. So let's span add, and this line tag here, and this here will be span tag, font size and later spacing, and text transform. So this font size is gone some bigger. I will make some decrease here. You can see that 13 pixel, 15 pixel. Let's see that. You can see 15 pixel is looking good now. So we'll add this color is 00, that is black color, and you can see like this. So now we'll make some dash, we'll add some dash more increasing here, so it's not suitable here. So let's increase more. You can see just like this. So now it's looking good. Okay, let's go this section here, and after this section here we'll add the copy this class name here. We'll add a hover effect for this, and this background color will say this linear gradient color, so 45 degree, and this color code 302840 and #F09. So this color code will be here, and this span tag will add some padding is 5 pixel, that's like that. So you can see hover effect is working. So now we'll make this color font. For this font color is FF, and this is white color, and this border radius will be 55 pixel, and this hover effect is also working here. So here this, for this line tag will add some margin, that is 15 pixel and 0. Now you can see we have some space from top and bottom. Okay, now let's add a transition so that it will be go some slow motion. You can see just like this. So after adding this, now we'll add a C tag on this below item here. So after this span tag and div tag, so we'll add a class name C, and this the text decoration, this text is C. So for this C tag we want to make the C circle. For this C classes here we will add this color first of all, and we will add this border, that is 1 pixel solid. Okay, let's increase that border, this 2 pixel solid, #CCC, and this will add this border radius is, so we have made some mistake here. Let's type this again, border radius is 550 pixel, and this padding is 3 pixel and 8 pixel. Now you can see like this. So we'll add this with this fit content, so that border radius will be go to some sizes here, and this font size we are increasing that 14 pixel, 13 pixel is more increasing. You can see like this. So now we'll set this item. For this set item removing, so we need the position relative, and this from the left is 240 pixel. You can see like this here. We can increase some more to 50 pixel, and you can see like now it's looking good. So we'll increase the font size 2 pixel more. Now you can see look good. So now go to here this classes, this section copy, and this enter this after this call one. So and this we will define this class name is C1. So now copy and paste this, and we will make it in the left side, and this 0 system here, this class name defined is C1, and we will copy paste, and we will change the class name just here. And now we will make this left is 10 pixel, we just taking here. You can see like this. So now let's remove this item, and you can see now it's gone to 6 here. And now we'll increase the font size for this author name. You go to author classes and we'll add this 18 pixel. Now you can see like this. Okay, let's go find it, and you can see here this C tag here. We will decrease the font size, and you can see that this one for tag is C1, and we will be add a hover effect for this. So C1 and C2, sorry, C and C1. So now we'll add this background linear gradient here, this color when you hover on it, but it's going this without hover. So we have mistake here. We need to add here a hover on this C1 and C. So now you can see hover effect is working here. So I will add a transition that is 0.5 second for this all this C1 and C. Now you can see now it's going some delay here. So now we can see we will increase this font size. Let's go to this the recipe name here, and this author we increase some font size, and let's see now it's looking good. So now we'll add this for this recipe name, we'll add a font weight. So we'll make some of this font weight, increase this 600. Let's see now it's going some more, so we'll decrease some font weight, that is 500. So now you can see it's looking good. So now you can see it's almost everything is done. So now we'll add a hover effect for the card item. So let's copy this card name class name here, and here we'll type this hover, and we'll add this with the width previous width is 600 pixels. So we'll increase some width is 620 here, and we'll add here this card transition, so that we can see we have some delay for this item. So you can see just like this. So all item is made it successfully here. So now we'll decrease and increase for the dash item, so that we can set a good looking effect here. So now it's going some more, so we'll decrease 1, and now you can see like this. Now the C tag is going some this center like this, so we'll make this some more left from this left side to 260 pixel. Now you can see like this. Now it's almost added here. So you can see now this all everything is set. This card is successfully added here, this hover effect and this good like of effect, and everything is working successfully. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.